Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish stock step by step. To begin, gather about 2 pounds of fresh fish bones and trimmings, ideally from lean white fish like cod or snapper. Avoid oily fish, as they can make the stock cloudy and strong tasting. Rinse these fish parts very well under cold running water to remove any blood or scales. This crucial step ensures a clean, clear stock. Then, place all the rinsed fish parts into a large, heavy-bottomed stock pot, ready for the next ingredients. Next, it's time to add your aromatics. Include 1 medium onion, roughly chopped, 2 celery stalks, also chopped, and 1 leek, thoroughly cleaned and sliced. These vegetables will infuse your stock with a delicate flavor. Now, pour in about 8 to 10 cups of cold water, ensuring all the fish bones and vegetables are completely submerged by at least 1 inch. Using cold water helps to slowly extract flavors and prevents the stock from becoming cloudy. Once your ingredients are in, bring the pot to a very gentle simmer over medium heat. It is crucial not to let it come to a rolling boil, as this can emulsify fats and make the stock cloudy. As it heats, foam and impurities will rise to the surface. Use a ladle or fine mesh skimmer to carefully remove these. Continue to skim for the first 10 to 15 minutes. Let the stock gently simmer for a total of 20 to 30 minutes, no longer. After simmering for about 25 minutes, remove the pot from the heat. Carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with 2 layers of cheesecloth, into a clean container. This ensures a perfectly clear and smooth stock, free of any small particles. Discard the solids. Allow the stock to cool rapidly, perhaps in an ice bath, before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 3 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.